Hello, Jeremiah Vegan with jeremiahvegan.com. We are a digital marketing agency for solopreneurs and personal brands. Today I'm going to briefly go over this email marketing and automation service that we provide, and I will let you guys know how you can learn more information and how you can actually use this service that we offer to grow your brand, expand your business, and to sell more products. Alright, so if you head over to jeremiahvegan.com, if you're not already on there, what you can do is you can either go under the service tab and click on email marketing automation if that is something that you're interested in, right up at the top, or you can go towards the bottom under services we can do to save you time and click on email marketing and automation. Once you click on email marketing automation, you'll more than likely see a video and you will get to know more about email marketing automation, as far as what is email marketing automation, some of the frequently asked questions, and what you need to do to get this thing going for you. Alright, now we're going to briefly go over that, okay? Let's briefly go over what is email marketing automation. Email marketing automation is when you are using email marketing software to automatically send emails to subscribers. Once they opt into your mailing list, this will allow you to be more personal with your audience and build trust with them. Once you have an email sequence set up, you can pretty much automate your business with marketing messages. Okay, now what you can do to learn more about this service, if you can either you're gonna click this button that says get started, and you're gonna fill out that information. Once you fill out that information, if everything makes sense, we will be able to give you a call and set you up on a pricing plan to get your business up and running. Now, the second thing that you can do is, if you want to get more information and learn more about email marketing, you can simply click on view and download pricing sheet. Once you do that, once you click on it, it will forward you to a PDF file that you can download yourself, or you can just open and view. You can download it, print it off, do whatever you would like to do with it, and it goes over the pricing that we provide, our rates, and it also gives you some content and some value on what email marketing is, and as well as landing pages. All right, so right here it goes over what is email marketing automation. We kind of went over that already, and then it will go over what is an email sequence, so it educates you. It goes over an email sequence is essentially an autoresponder that sends a series of emails on your behalf based on a schedule you set it to. It sends emails to a specific segment of people on your email list automatically. When people join your mailing list, you can send them content via email to bring more awareness to your brand. And it also goes over what a landing page is. If you're not familiar with a landing page is a standalone web page created specifically to market or advertise as a product or service. Many people have a main website that goes over everything they do in detail, while also having several landing pages. Landing pages are typically used for ad campaigns to increase conversions. They are effective because of the simplicity of the page, making visitors convert and offers easier. They are designed with a single focused objective known as a call to action. Alright, one of the tools that we use to create landing pages is a software called Melonlight. Melonlight is an email marketing software that allows you to create email sequences and landing pages. Okay, and what we would do is we would actually use this software to build these landing pages for you so you can get more conversions for your landing page for whatever offer that you want to put out there. Now that offer doesn't necessarily have to be you selling something. It can be you giving away something for free in exchange for your visitor's email address, phone number. A lot of people use it to basically collect email addresses because it's easier to get people to opt in. Alright, so you can actually head over to Melonlight and create an account. It is free up to 1,000 subscribers, and you can actually create this yourself, or you can hire us to do this for you to save you time. Okay, once you create an account, you will have the option to choose templates to create your landing page. Okay, now like I said, you can do this yourself, or you can hire us to do it for you, save you some time. We will essentially create a we will find a template, add all of the text that you will have to provide to us, or you can have us do it for you, and we will basically select a template, and we will simply use a certain template and add your information. Okay, here is an example. Here's a template that we can add. Add your logo. You have 3 tabs. Some people put the home tab, the main website tab here, and maybe about us or something like that. And we will simply plug it in, send you the information. Okay, now on the back end, once people opt in, we will be able to manage your emails on the back end, and basically send great content to build your awareness to the people who have subscribed to your mailing list. As you can see, it is minimum amount of distraction. Okay, it focuses on one thing, and that's to get them to convert. Now a lot of people would give away something for free. For example, if you were a personal trainer, you can give out a free workbook that you can create using like a PDF file, like an ebook or something like that. Or you could give away free training or a video that you create, and once they opt in, you can use Melonlight's automated software to automatically send them something. Okay, this is a friend of mine's landing page. For her graphic design business, she has created a free workbook. Okay, she is a graphic designer. As you can see, this is the graphic. It says right here, the ultimate business plan workbook. This workbook includes great pages of guides that will help you think about your details and goals with building and maintaining your business. Use and feel free to share with all of your entrepreneur associates. So basically what she would have them do is put in her name, email, company, and then click I am ready for my copy, and it will send them that workbook. Once they opt into this mailing list here, she will be able to send marketing messages, building her brand and getting them more familiar on what it is that she do regarding her services. Okay, now the point of this is to give your subscribers value. You don't want to spam them, and you don't want to send messages, you don't want to send emails all the time. Okay, you want to space it out. You want to make sure that you are annoying them, because you want them to get them, you want to build a rapport with them and get them to like you, so you can build trust. The goal is to get recurring customers. Okay, the money isn't in the front end, the money is in the back end. So you want to create an audience that really loves who you are because of the value that you bring to them. If you scroll up to the bottom, you will see that she has an image of herself and then a little bit about her. Alright, she has the free version of the free trial, so it has the Melonlight logo at the background, at the bottom. This is our landing page here, where we are promoting a free video course called Solopreneur Growth Course. And what we have done is we have added some testimonies right here at the bottom, and this is me. It gives you a little bit of a summary on what it is that I do, and it allows you to connect with my LinkedIn profile if you want more information. But as you can see, I am minimizing the distractions because there isn't any tabs or anything like that. It is just strictly promoting the course that I want to give out for free. Alright, the Solopreneur Growth course. Once they opt in, it will email the course and I will send them series of emails on the back end. Okay, this is going to tremendously grow your brand, build your business, and it's going to do it to the point where you can do little to no work. Hopefully this helps you. Make sure you guys log on to jeremiahvegan.com to get more information, register, sign up, and we'll get to you as soon as possible. Thanks.